This is Ranger Kidwell Ross, editor at World Sweeper. We're at NPE 2011. We have Mike Keels, and Mike is president of Detectable Warning Systems, and is going to talk to us about a product that appeared to me would be a good add-on for sweeping contractors looking for another product that they can offer to their customer to become more of a one-stop shop. So, Mike, if you would, take it away.
Sure, Ranger. What we do is we sell, manufacture detectable warnings, which detectable warnings, you've probably seen them out on the street. A lot of people refer to them as the things with the bumps on them, which are actually called truncated domes. And detectable warnings is a requirement, a federal requirement from the Americans with Disabilities Act that are required to be on the ground anywhere there's a transition from a safe walking area to an unsafe walking area. The purpose for them is for the visually impaired people, to help keep them, allow them to have access on the roads, on the streets, and be able to get around and be safe. The opportunity for people in the sweeping industry is, and we have customers that do this very thing, is they're on site. They have relationships and are prospecting with decision makers, with owners, property managers, asset managers, and while they're at the facility that they're taking care of, what a lot of the people that do work with us is they'll discuss the fact that they may not be ADA compliant in the area that they're maintaining. It's a very simple process to look at the handicap ramps at the facility, be it a apartment community, commercial building, school, anything along that way. If they're not ADA compliant, they definitely have a liability issue to the owner or the municipality, and it's something that they want to take care of, and it's something that they should take care of. It really is the right thing to do. So we have a program ourselves. We've been doing this for about 16 years in the industry, where we will take our contractors that are our customers, we'll train them on how to understand where to place detectable warnings and how to install them. We make them a certified installer of the product, and then what they will do is they will go have literature that we provide to them. They'll take this literature to their customers, to their prospects, and offer them the opportunity to take their facility, make them ADA compliant, do the right thing, and eliminate a liability that they may have. The products we have are very simple to install, and from a dollars and cents opportunity, it's a very profitable opportunity for some of these operators. A great way to add a second or third source of revenue to their companies.
And I would say from my editorial view of World Sweeper, what I've seen so far is you're talking about not only a legal issue, but a safety issue and a compliance issue. But the other side to that is that a sweeping contractor can come in and be an added professionalism to their function, to not just be a sweeping contractor, but be this eyes and ears of their property managers, and really help them come up to snuff, so to speak, on their legal compliance.
Absolutely. I mean, that's what you want to do. These property managers, they're busy. They've got a lot of things to take care of. The more that they can do with a single point of contact, the better for them. The trust that they'll build with their sweeping contractor to know that, okay, I can take care of my ADA compliance and possibly some other things that they're doing as well, the easier they make their life. So it's a great fit.
Well, show us, you have some of the pieces of product here. You're standing on one here, and I can see that it's flexible. And talk about durability, if you would, and why the product itself is a good product.
Sure. What I'll actually do is I'll take and just a sample size piece I have here. Mm-hmm. This is what we call our ready mat. This is applied to an existing surface. That's one thing that a lot of owners and managers think, that to become ADA compliant, they have to tear up their sidewalks, they have to cut out concrete and go through a major expense, but they really don't. What we sell is, we actually sell a product if they want to go to that extent, but this is our surface applied product. This is what the majority of the contractors that we're dealing with in this industry are doing, because it's a very simple fix for them. It's a flexible product. It's made out of a polyurethane material, and the nice thing is the adhesive for the material is actually attached to the back of the product. It's a proprietary pressure sensitive butyl material, but what it does is it makes the installation extremely easy. And they can literally, a product like this, they can install it in about 10 minutes from start to finish at a very nice margin based on their 10 minutes of work, and can get more into details, but probably 100% markup on the cost of the material for their labor and their installation on a job that's going to take them about 10 minutes per location. What might you find at a location? You could find anywhere from 4 to 10 individual ramps that would take 4 or 10 ready mats, to areas that have a large open flush transition that could take 5, 10, 15 mats running consecutively to install. So I mean, the opportunities are great. And another thing that I've heard from people that we've done at previous shows and got into this as a second source of revenue is they tend to become an expert in the industry, and a lot of times people that they know, asphalt contractors, concrete contractors, that may not want to mess with this in a big job they're doing, they may call Bob, Fred, Sue, say call them, that runs the sweeping company. They have access to the products, they know how to put them down. Let's just sub that work out to them. So it will actually, in some cases, grow to things outside of even the business they have for their sweeping contracts.
And of course, in some of the situations like that, when you have a paving company or seal coating company or whoever that is that subs that out to you, who are a sweeping company, now you may well have an entree into the sweeping work that is in that company as well.
Absolutely, so, absolutely. Great tie-in.
Yeah. Well, I certainly appreciate the time, and I just feel certain that if I ask you for a website and phone number that somebody could get hold of you, you'd have that information at the tip of your tongue.
Yeah, absolutely. You can see us at Detectable-Warning.com, or you can reach us toll-free at 866-999-7542.
All right. Thank you very much. Very informative product.
You're quite welcome.